Welcome guys to this new stream. Yeah, welcome to this new stream on my channel. Today, like yesterday I said, I will do the batch renderer off stream, which I didn't do because I didn't have the time. But what I tried is a multi-threading implementation to render on a different thread, but in C this is very weird and I don't really understand threading in C. So for now everything will be the same. I mean, we will probably not render like thousands of quads at the same time, because we are not going to make an open world game. So I think that the architecture is okay for now, but if it's going to be so weird that we will need to have like if it's extremely necessary, then we're going to write a batch renderer. So that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I made a few. I hate the screen color so much. Let's do 6969. I think that's actually a good grayscale. Yeah. So what I did off stream is wait. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. Okay, so as you can see, I have two tile maps that obviously could be possible in one tile map, but I have one box tile map and then another box tile map on top of it. And this is pretty easy to create. We have just a sprite sheet for the tiles sprites, which we load from the asset pool. And then we create a tile map with a sprite sheet and a size for each for sprites and a scale of the tile map, like of tiles in the map, which is 50 pixels for now, and the render level of the tile map. So like each cube or each quad in the tile map will have this render level, and then we register tiles for the tile map. I register G for grass, and set it to this coordinate, which relates to the grass tile on the sprite sheet. And then we commit to render as a box this map, and the tile that we want to draw in this box is G, which is just grass. We could call it grass. Then we create. Then this is the minimum, and this is the maximum bound of the box, of the tile box. So from 0, 0 to 10, 10 we draw tiles. So yeah, that's pretty easy. And here we just draw another tile map on top of it with a different render level. Let's rename that and try if it works. And today what I wanted to do is scene managing, so that we can have different scenes. Obviously it still works. Nice. Okay, so scene managing. Yeah, this is a thing. Like, look at it. I mean, triangle. Yeah, okay. Okay, so like we have a renderer 2D which just has a bunch of quads and triangles, but I think it's a better solution to have a scene in the renderer 2D, like active scene, which the renderer 2D renders. Mr. MXC, what's up? Like you have a new profile picture. Let me see. Yo, Minecraft. Is that your Minecraft skin? Do you play Minecraft? Nice. Okay, so we do scene. What age? Type abstract. Scene. So you play Minecraft, nice. Scene. And each scene has quads and triangles. So quad pointer quads and triangle pointer triangles. Maybe it should have like a const char pointer name. Yeah. So that we can identify scenes. Okay. So let's do a scene. Should it be a pointer? I guess, yeah. No. Scene create. With quads and triangles. And then we have scene create empty. We have const char pointer name and const char pointer name. Okay, so we have those. Then yeah, like it's scenes are just storage for entities, and we don't have an ECS, so entities are quads and triangles. So scene red dot name is equal to name, and red dot, and let's define max quad count 10,000. Well, let's say 1,000, and max triangle count 500. Red dot quads is equal to malloc. Yo, go vote to Rick.
Welcome back to Discord Mates. Vote for Rick Astley. He will never give you up, let you down, run around, desert you, make you cry, say goodbye, tell a lie, or hurt you. Rick Astley, you got my vote. That's my president, baby. Let's go. The past tense of scream is scrum. No way. I ain't never heard of a scrum before. Speaking of scrum, this guy looks like he's scrumming right now. What's up, man? Oh my God, that was so loud. I should have taken the warning. That's my fault, my bad. 3 days until Mario steals your liver. I forgot that was coming up. Sock, because he kept trying to eat the turkey. I don't think that's gonna stop him. Look at his eyes. That man is on a mission.
Okay, the Rick Astley thing actually was pretty good. Yeah. Malloc size of quads times max quad count, and red dot triangle is equal to malloc size of quad times max triangle count, and return red. Okay, so scene red dot name is equal to name, red dot quads is equal to quads, red dot triangle is equal to triangles, and return red. Okay. So now we need some kind of Okay, in renderer 2D, let's make I'm thinking of making a scene manager or something like that. Let's try to not do it. So, you don't need that anymore. Okay, so we have a scene, active scene, and a scene pointer, scenes. Init. Okay, so we so let's do a I'm going to post you in my community post see in a sec, man. Do that. You just see it in a second. Okay, so renderer to the set active scene scene pointer scene. So set active scene, and then we do yeah, okay, we can. Let's put that here. Okay, we don't need that anymore. Okay, we also obviously need a U32 quad count and triangle count, and we need a void scene add quad, scene pointer scene, quad pointer quad, and scene triangle, scene pointer scene, triangle pointer triangle. Yeah. What do we have? Get triangle index. Do we have remove? Remove chord? Yeah, we actually do. Okay, we just free it and so let's have a scene get quad index, scene pointer scene, quad pointer quad, and get triangle index, and void scene remove quad, scene pointer scene, quad pointer quad. Oops. Scene remove triangle, scene pointer scene, triangle pointer triangle. Yeah. So. Nice. Add quad will just scene dot quads at scene dot quad count plus plus is equal to quad. Yeah. And then we do a red dot quad count equal to 0, red dot triangle count equal to 0, and we need a U32 quad count, U32 triangle count. So red dots quad count is equal to quad count. Red dot triangle count is equal to triangle count. Okay, scene at triangle, scene the triangles at scene the triangle count plus plus is equal to triangle. Remove quad. I'll just copy that. Okay, that's obviously a U32, so U32. Galaxy PH, what's up? And Russia Log, what's up? Instant replay from post, lol. All done, okay, wait. Wait. Is it that? Oh my fucking god. Yeah. Yeah. Wild. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, like it's just music. I tried learning coding myself. Nice. Very nice. Like keep on going. It will be great. Like, is it that post or which post is it? Community? Ah. Yo, thank you very much. Thank you very much for reposting. Community? Ah. Thank you very much. Yo, like the post. Let's go. Thank you very much. I don't know what to do because it keeps error. Like, in what programming language do you code, and what is the error? Okay. Yeah. So thank you very much, bro. Very much appreciating that. Core logging. From scene. Okay, we delete the quads and do that. Okay, scene remove triangle. The same thing. Scene get triangle index. Dep. Let's go. A state dot. Oh, it's not even a state. It's scene quads. Yeah. Emojis, like, are too good. Okay, so now this should be okay. Okay, here we do for i32 u32 I is equal to 0, I is less than scene quad count I plus plus. If scene dot quads at I, the tag is equal to, oh wait, how did I do that? How did I do it? Yeah, with the tag. Is equal to quad dot tag. We return scene dot quads at I. No, we return I.
Unreine Haut?
Oh my god. slow. But the song's really cool. Listen to it. It's actually cool. Return -1. Oh, it should be a I-32. Funktoven. not Beethoven. Well, how do you say it? It's Funktoven. Angle count, triangles. Okay, that's wrong. It's triangle pointer. Triangle. Beethoven has been quiet since his son dropped it. Yeah, man. Imagine. Okay. So we got that. Set active scene. State dot active scene is equal to scene. We need a scene count. Scene count. And we need a, don't need that anymore. We need a hash define hash define max scenes, let's say 32, and we don't need that. State dot scenes is equal to malloc size of scene times max scenes, max scene count. Active scene is equal to, yeah, okay, we don't need to initialize it. Scenes is, no. Scene count is equal to 0. And can we, no, let's not do that. Active scene is equal to scene, and it's not a pointer. And state.scenes at state.scene_count plus is equal to scene. Okay, we could do a, yeah, okay. So this is yeah, we could do void scene delete. Hi, I'm in a YouTube video that has 22k likes. I think you showed it to me. Like, you were in a YouTube video, I remember. Like, you showed some YouTube video to me where you were in. So scene deletes. Scene. Okay, this should be a pointer, yeah, but this doesn't have to be a pointer. Okay, scene delete just does for u32 I is equal to 0, I is less than scene dot quad count I plus plus, and it does scene dot quads at I, we do quad delete, does quad delete, yeah, it frees the quad. Yeah, maybe it shouldn't do that. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so scene dot silent game center. What's up, bro? Let's see you here. Nice. Okay, so scene dot quarter I is equal to null pointer and for u32 I is equal to 0. I is less than scene dot triangle count I plus plus triangle delete scene dot triangles at I scene dot quads at I no scene dot triangles at I equal to null pointer. Okay, triangle delete also frees the thingy. So we just do for u32 I is equal to 0, I is less than state.scene count I plus plus scene delete and state.scenes at I. We don't need that. Okay, the shader we can delete that. Set active scene. Yeah, so we do if the memory address of state dot active scene not equal null pointer, like then we do scene delete state dot active scene. Yeah. And we set it to the new one. And we do state dot scene count minus minus. Can we use your game engine to make games? Yeah, so technically, definitely. Because like you have an engine, you can download your engine, like source in here, in engine, or I think more in here. You have like all functionality for building a game, and then you can create your own folder, which I called game, in which you just have your game code. So this is my game code, and it does that. It has sprite animation, tile mapping, and rendering, and now I'm implementing scene support. So yeah, it's definitely completely able to make a game. And you can like specify your own update callbacks, init callbacks, and terminate callbacks, and stuff. Very cool. So yeah, you can make games with it. And it's open source, just on my GitHub page. Okay, so set active scene. We also need a renderer to the what language it's using to code C. So C language, like raw C code, not even C++, it's C, and OpenGL for the rendering API, which you don't really use as the client, but if you're the client you have to code your game in C. So yeah. I think C is actually pretty easy, because it doesn't have a lot of features that you need to understand. But yeah, if you are on the backend side in C, it's a little bit hard. But as the client, you're obviously on the front end, so I think it's a pretty good language to use. So set active scene by name. Just have const char pointer scene. So switch active scene. That's just switching scenes. So like imagine being like in a level and then you get to a checkpoint and then the next scene loads, so that would be when we call this function. So we do if state.activeScene equal null pointer, we just return. And is that game Rickroll? No, it's not. Like, I don't really understand what you mean with that question, but I guess it's not a Rickroll. Yeah. Okay, so if we don't have a scene, we just return, and here we do state.activeScene is equal to. Yeah, we need something like void renderer to the get scene by name const char pointer name. Goofy are members of the idiots. I think I'm in that club. You said something about it. Has 6 members. Nice. Very, very nice. So this obviously returns a scene, and for u32 is equal to 0 is less than scene count, state.scene count, I++, if state.scenes at I is equal to, if that is equal to, no, that name is equal to name, then we just return, I have no school. Nice. I also don't have school today. Until next year. Yo. Very nice. Okay, and as we return... Yeah, fuck. What do we return here? And that's like the thing. Huh? So we do, maybe we could do that and return the memory address of that, and here we return null pointer, and then and if a renderer to the get scene by name or scene. Why do we call it scene? Name. If that is equal to null pointer, we return as well, and active scene is equal to renderer to the get scene by name. Maybe we need to do something like that, so like scene, scene, given scene or something. Bro, what extension you use? GLUT, GFW, glue or what? Like actually, I'm not using GFW, not using GLUT, not glue or anything. Like you see, like the windowing code I made completely on my own in Win32 API. Where is that shit? Platform Win32. So this is the code for windowing. Like the challenge is to make that engine without any dependencies. So I don't have any dependencies. Then I have an OpenGL loader for Win32, and then I have OpenGL functions which I need to use, and I load them on my own as well. So I'm not using anything. Yeah. Like that's the challenge of this project. Okay, there we do given scene. What do we call that? I forget it. I don't know. Definitely we do that. Good challenge, bro. Keep it up. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, I'm doing that. I probably will do like a how do you call that? Like a compilation of all of the streams into one video, which I'm going to upload. Like, I made a game engine in 6 months or something. Like, some video will definitely come soon. So yeah. Okay, so this okay, this is that. Then get seen by name. Add quad will just be state dot active scene. Yeah, no, we do scene add quad state dot active scene. Memory address of that, and the quad is obj. Okay, so remove quad just will be scene remove quad state dot active scene obj. And by the way, when we remove quads, we definitely need to scene.quad count minus minus, obviously. Scene.quad count minus minus. Set active scene. Okay, so scene remove. Yeah, we need a few things. We need a renderer to the add scene, renderer to the remove scene, yeah. So let's put one here. So add scene will just do state.scenes at state.scene count plus plus is equal to scene. Remove scene. Yeah, how will we do that? I mean, they're not pointers. Maybe it's not possible to remove scenes. I mean, why should you want to remove a scene from your game? Let's not worry about that for a second, because like there's no point in removing a scene from your game that you added. I'm trying to think of some point in which that would make sense, but I think there's no. So let's remove it. Okay. Set active scene. Switch scene. Yeah. Add quad. Okay, so shader program bind state dot scenes. Maybe we should do a void scene render. Scene. Which just does that. Okay, so if a state.scenes, yeah, if scene.quad count not equals 0, you making game engine and game at the same time, I think. Yeah, so I'm basically what I'm doing is creating a game without an engine, and for that I need to make a game, an engine first, and then make the game. And the game, which I currently have, is just a tester for the engine. But the real game I'm going to make like when the engine is in a point where it's completely feature complete, which it's getting to pretty fast. So yeah. Okay, scene.quad count and scene. Yeah, and I think the sort quads thingy we also we should also void scene sort quartz sort. Do we only sort quartz? So sort quartz by render order. Scene, and then scene sort triangles by render order. Scene. Nice. Yeah. So scene quad count, scene. State. No. Okay, now triangles. It's basically the same thing. So just triangle count. Triangle count, triangles, triangle pointer, scene dot triangles, triangles, quads. Don't have quad in here. Nice. Okay. Bool 8 needs sort quads, needs sort triangles, and when we add a triangle, we just do scene needs sort quads, needs sort triangles is equal to true, and scene needs sort quads is equal to true. And here red.scene needs sort quads is equal to true because we added quads, and here it's equal to false. Needs sort triangles is equal to false, and needs sort quads is also equal to false. And we do if quads not equal null pointer, and if triangles not equal null pointer, red dot needs sort triangles is equal to true. And where's render here? If scene needs sort quads, scene sort quads by render order, scene. And if scene needs sort triangles, we sort the triangles by render order, scene. Okay, nice. So we don't need that anymore. And where were we? Render objects. Don't need that. We bind the shader program, and then we just do scene render as data or as state back to scene. That's it. Update, we can do that as well. Where is that? Scene render, okay, so scene update. Scene updates, scene. So updating the scene, let's copy it. For u32 I is equal to 0, I is less than scene, quad count, scene. Vector to create scene. Okay, we need the event system included. core event system. State, okay. So scene. Render 2D. Okay, so this is going to be a scene update state.activeScene. Get quad by index. Yeah, we can just return scene get quad index state.activeScene obj. Get quad by tag. Okay, we can do a quad pointer get scene get quads by tag scene and const char pointer tag, and then triangle scene get triangle by tag scene and char pointer tag. Yeah. For utility to ice equals 0, ice less than scene dot scene dot quad count and I plus, and if scene dot quads at I dot tag is equal to tag, return s. Yeah, technically we could do, yeah, whatever. We drew scene dot quads at I, and here we will return my pointer. Yeah, what we could do is return scene dot quads at scene get quad index scene. Oh, but we don't have the quad. Yeah, okay, so we can do that. Okay. So now for that, triangle count, triangles, scene dot triangles. Yeah. Okay, so return scene. Okay. Get quad by tag state.activeScene, and this is the tag. Render to the get state. Okay, we don't have get triangle by tag. Get quad by tag, so triangle. Render to be get triangle by tag constant pointer tag. Return scene gets triangle by tag state.activeScene and tag. Add triangle will just be scene at triangle state.activeScene, and the triangle is obj. Remove a scene, remove triangle state.activeScene obj. Get triangle index, return scene get triangle index state.activeScene obj. Okay, wait, we do have that. So let's delete it. Get quad in tilemap. Yeah, okay, we can obviously copy that as well. void scene get quad in tilemap quad pointer, and it takes in a scene, a tilemap. Okay, we have that included, tilemap pointer, I don't know. Tilemap map and vector to pos. Vector to pos. And okay, so scene quad count, scene tile pos. No, it's just pos. Okay, so tile pos. Scene.quads at I. Yeah, nice. So just return scene gets quad in tilemap state.active scene tilemap is map and tile pos. Okay, so basically that's it. Yeah. Oh, but what is like in, for example, in here? Yeah, okay. Okay, but this should still work. Because it's I think this all should still work. So let's compile that bad boy and get 15 errors. Okay. Render at 50. Comparison of address not equal to null pointer is always true. Now we do that. Or triangles not equal null pointer. Okay, in 51. Okay, this should be a memory address. In 56, 65, I mean. Get seen by name. Scene dot. Okay. So in 47. Scene. Okay, to few argument. So scene gets quad index quad obj scene yeah. Scene get triangle in the scene get triangle index. Scene get triangle index. scene. Okay. Get triangle index. In scene 56. Scene dot quad count, obviously. 66. Okay, so basic. Yeah, okay. 74. Yeah. 75. 171. Dot. Triangles at J. Oh. We don't even have that implemented. So triangle is, where's triangle 2D? Where's triangle 2D? Triangle. So each triangle should have a render level, which we have render level. Render level. And red.render level is equal to render level. Variable has incomplete tile map. In 180. That's probably because we need to include tile map, because that just forward declares it. So where's that? Scene. Yeah, we also need to include quad, obviously. Quad 2D, and I hope tile map doesn't include quad. Okay, it does, but that's okay, I guess. Okay. 59. If active scene dot quads equals null pointer and active scene dot triangles equal null pointer. And in scene 171 triangles dot render level. Okay. In scene dot cn here quad delete. Oh, it's obviously triangle delete, triangle, and here it's it's scene triangles, and triangle count. Yeah, triangle. Okay, so we don't need that. Okay, it ran. No, it didn't run, but yeah. Okay, so we need, before we do all of that, just render to the set active scene or add scene. Okay, no. We have a scene. Scene is equal to scene create test scene create empty, and then we do render to the add scene. Scene at what? And s state active scene is equal to, oh no, we set the active scene. Oh, but wait, I think that quad count not equal 0. Triangle count not equal 0, and dot quad count equals null pointer equals 0. Yeah, and triangle count equals 0. Okay, but we didn't even set the active scene, so render to the set active scene. Aha, we don't need to add it. Yo! Oh my god, let's go! Yo, let's go, it worked! It actually worked. It actually freaking worked. Okay, so let's have a quad pointer. Tile is equal to renderer to the get quad in tile map 2 tile poses vector 2 create 3 from, let's say it's in map 1 and it's tile 0, it's tile 1 1, and then we do tile dot render level is equal to 2 and tile dot update callback static void tile update callback quad tile if platform is key down key W quad move Y. And update callback is equal to tile update callback. So now, oh, map. So now we should get the one tile moving. Yeah. Okay, but that's not what I actually wanted. Like I don't know why I even did that. Maybe for testing, I don't know. But okay. So in-game update, we do if platform is key down key A, scene or platform key went down, and if renderer today gets state dot active scene dot name not equal test scene 2, then we do scene new scene is equal to scene create empty test scene 2 and set active scene that, and then we do we have a new tile map. Get the spreadsheet from the asset pool. But it's from 0 to 15 maybe. And yeah. And as if platform key went down, key. Oh, it's not A, let's say key left. And key right will be if. So if you're in test scene 2, and here we do is equal to test scene. Ah no, we can do what would be cool is yeah, let's do that later. So new scene is equal to scene create empty test scene, and then we have like that shit. New scene, new scene. Result of comparison is unspecific. What? Use an explicit string comparison function instead. What? want to do string compare is equal to 0 to compare strings instead of a simple that. Okay, so string comp so hash include string comp that and that equals 0. So string comp that and that equals 0. Oh, I included the C++ guy, not the C guy. Yeah. Oh, nice. So if we press left, okay, we don't have the player. And if we press right, nothing happens. Okay, but test scene 2. Wait, what? What did I press? Left and right? Oh. Should we do is equal to 1? So if let's log in for %s entity get state get active scene.name. Test scene. So this should definitely be a 0. Wait, if we are in test scene 2, we create test scene. So it's equal to 0. Test scene 2. So if test scene 2 is equal to test scene 2. Huh? So this means if it is equal to test scene 2. Yeah, let's just stop that. Let's just not do that. Wait. Like that. Let's stop that as well. And put... Do we need to put anything here? No, I don't think so. So left, right. Okay, so but right doesn't do anything. Ah, wait. Tile map, and we have stone instead of grass. And stone is 5. Ah, wait. Let's call it test machine 3. Because here we already have test scene. Why is it doing it 2 times? Key L, and this is key P. Can't just do it 2 times. So 1 and 2. Why does it just falls down? What the fuck is wrong with this? Like actually, what the fuck? Platform key went down. We log info, we do stuff, and okay, so if we don't do any of that bullshit, any of that garbage, I think key went down, just doesn't work correctly. Input state dot key went down. No, this is done. This is done. We do input state dot keyboard dot keyboard previous add key not equal input state dot keyboard now add key and input state and input state dot keyboard now add key is equal to true. Keyboard previous add dot keys. Keyboard no dot keys. Keyboard no dot keys. Do a build all. I mean, it works. Kinda. I mean, it does work here. Let me log in for that was A. Okay, so now it's not. Platform is key down. But don't we use key went down as well? No, we don't. So we could have. Where is that shit? Yeah. We return. Yeah, it's easy. We return input state. The key went down and input state dot keyboard now add key dot keys add key is equal to true. How it works. Perfect. Okay. Key released is equal to false. Key changed and oh, that's a bit harder. And input state dot keyboard now dot keys add key not equal input state dot keyboard pref dot keys add key. And input state dot key dot mouse now dot buttons add button equal true dot buttons and equal false button changed and input state dot mouse now dot buttons add button not equal input state dot mouse pref dot buttons add button. Perfect. Okay. So now what we need is a better system for scenes. for example, like, yeah, I mean, okay, so I mean it is already kind of there. You have, I mean, you can have like, this is, let's call it grass scene. Set active scene, yeah, okay, no. That's the grass scene. Okay, and then yeah, but I mean, yeah, and then, okay, this is grass scene. Replace new scene with grass scene, new scene. And then we have stone scene. And then we have like main scene. Main scene. Okay, and then if L is pressed, we just do renderer to the switch scene by name, grass scene. And if state dot active scene is dot name is equal to name, we also return. And here we do main scene. Redefinition. Okay, so let's do that in a scope. So L, P does not change anything because I'm kind of dumb. Switch scene. What? Oh, I mean, if P. Wait, what was P? So let's press L. If quad count is 137. Okay. If get seen by name is null pointer. Scene get scene by name, and this just returns scene create empty invalid. So if that dot name equals invalid, we return. So string compare that and that. If that is equal 0, okay, so if 10, what? I press P. So L. Let me go through here. So log info invalid scene name. Grass scene is invalid. Okay. Main scene is not, but grass scene is. Why should it be? For each scene, let's do log info %s sstates.scenes at I.name. Just main scene. Why? What did I do different? grass scene, create some empty grass scene. Okay. So we don't want to delete the other scene, obviously. Doesn't make any sense. What? Main scene, set active scene. So grass scene. We don't do that, maybe. Changed scene to So grass scene apparently is just nothing. Yeah. So we don't have that. we should get what? Unused. Okay. Now we get grass. Okay, so let's add that in. And for utility is equal to 0 is less than renderer to d get state dot scene count I++. Log info renderer to the get state dot scenes at I dot name %s. Grass scene and main scene. If I press L, we have grass scene and main scene still. Main scene. Change scene to grass scene, change scene to main scene. For utility is equal to 0 is less than s renderer to the get state dot active scene dot quad count I++. Log info %s renderer to the get state active scene dot quads at I dot tag. Tile map tile player, okay. Now here. Nothing. And okay, so if we commit to render, we add quads, and adding quads just adds quads to the active scene. Okay, whatever, I'm doing it with pointers. So scene without a pointer is replaced with scene with a pointer. Okay, is equal to malloc size of scene pointer scene pointer is equal to malloc size of scene add quotes scene dots replace with that. Yeah, that's kind of it. And in here, scene replace with scene, like that. Like that. Scene pointer. Scene like that. It's replaced with scene like that. Yeah, okay, scenes is equal to and active scene. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. Nemo, what's up, bro? Glad to see you here. Glad to see you. Welcome to the stream. Yeah. Okay, so we have everything which is active scene dots we replace with active scene like that. Then scenes at I dot replace with scenes at I like that. Okay, now why don't you use C++? Yeah, because like this engine, this engine is like a challenge project that it started out as a challenge because I wanted to see how much I can do in C with no dependencies, making everything on my own. And yeah, that was like the spirit of the project. And then it went on for being a real thing, engine thing. And now I'm still working on C, and it's pretty nice. Like obviously it has weird things, but I'm liking it in the most part. Not bad. Yeah, thank you, guy. Thank you, man. Yeah. The scene pointer. Okay, I'm guessing 20 plus errors. 13. Scene H. Yeah, let's go. Incompatible pointer. How old are you? 14. Scene is equal to scene and render to the. Oh god. Scenes. Oh. This. Are you joking? No, I'm really 14. I'm not joking. Yeah, sounds awkward, but unfortunately I'm not joking. 38. No. Okay, so this is obviously dumb. I thought something like 16. Yeah, like so thank you, I guess. But yeah, unfortunately not. Okay, this is like that. Not the memory address of that thingy. C.H 23. That was just a note. Oh, was it? Yeah. Render to the in 102. Basic. And 106 is also the same guy. Okay, and render scene. Let's see. It's obviously like that. Okay, so now, please. 20 errors. Why? Why? Too many errors emitted. Okay, now in 77. I saw your video before I went here. Why you don't make more of them? So I'm currently producing a video which is like a compilation of all of those streams in which I developed the engine and the game, and yeah, so there will be a video in the near future, and I'm definitely trying to make more videos, but yeah, if I have the time for it. If I don't have it, then I just stream, so yeah. Okay, so red dot is always red and arrow thingy. Okay, let's try that. Great, yeah. Thank you. Hope I will, like, it's going to be like a long time till this finishes. I mean, maybe like 6 months. No, okay, not 6 months, but like 2-3 months. All that with 14, yeah. So people don't expect that, but yeah, I mean, age is just a number if you think about it. Okay, so that replace this with that, yeah. So now please work. When did you start? You mean programming in general? Or do you mean the project? If you mean programming in general, 5 years ago, I guess. I started with Java, then I did that for 1 year, did a few projects, then I made, then I learned Python. Like, use that till 2021, and in 2021, in the beginning, I learned C++, and yeah, and like since then I made a lot of, like, I've made 3 or 4 engines with C++ and a lot of projects with C++, and stick with it. And yeah, now I'm doing C for that particular project. I did like 3 projects in C, and yeah, I started with 16 and I'm really bad. Now I'm 17. Like, I can't believe you're bad. Like look at me. Like I in 1 year I did nothing. I was like the Like, the learning curve is extremely hard, and like in the first year it's probably the case that you don't see like a lot of improvement, or a lot of, like, the learning curve is like that, maybe like a little bit, and then it's getting higher, but this is like 1 year and stuff. My biggest project was a 2D game with a lot of bugs. Yeah, that sounds perfect. Like, I mean, a 2D game, that's definitely a big accomplishment. So I think you're not bad if you made a 2D game. Like, an entire game. Okay, so scene. It's just scene. Oh, 2 errors. Scene in 182. Associated time map. So I have to go to school. See you next time, man. Yeah, so thank you for being here. Thank you very much. See you next time. Glad that you've been here. Okay. So yeah, this is like that, and 126. Scene triangle ZI, triangle render. Oh. Okay, okie dokie. Nice. Made a lot of subs in this stream. Thank you very much for all of you subscribing. Means a lot. Okay, so switching scenes. L. Oh my fucking god! I'm the best programmer in the entire universe. Like, look at it. I'm switching scenes. I'm fucking switching scenes. And now, like, what will happen? I'm predicting it. So first, let's just don't log anything. Like any bullshitty stuff. Changed scene 2, we don't need that. Wait. Oh my god. So, what I know what will happen is we open Task Manager and then you see like memory like 400 megabytes. I'm predicting it. And then like CPU usage 70%, GPU usage 40%, and frame rate 30. Okay, so. Oh, 25? That's actually good. 2%. So, changing scene. Oh, look at it. Like, it's not even increasing the memory. Yeah, okay, it wouldn't make sense if it would, but still. And the position of the quads, oh my. Okay. Like, look at it. I mean, in this scene, we don't have the player, we just have the camera, because the camera is not a scene entity. And the player, oh my. I love that. Oh, but obviously, yeah, we move the camera and then it's okay. Yeah, but that hasn't anything to do with the scene system. Oh my fucking god. Okay, it's a bit weird to create scenes. I mean, what you have to do is make your scene, you know, and set the act set. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, you can create a scene, and then after that you specify all of the stuff for the renderer. I mean, it makes sense. Like, come on. Let's go, guys. Let's fucking go. And the memory usage has not even increased like by 1 megabyte. It has even decreased. Okay, so that's just because I didn't load one texture. But still. And why? No, stop it. Thank you. Ah, I love it. Okay, so what could be the case? What is a good idea is, I think, wait, when we create that scene after that one, after we initialize the player, and then add the quad to that, add the player to that scene as well. Please work. Please, please. Okay, so now we have the grass scene, and then we press P. Oh my god. Okay, but we could. Oh. Oopsie doopsie. Yeah, I think what would make more sense, not we create it not empty, we create it. And we do quads. It's just quad pointer quads is equal to a state dot player dot quad instance. Those are the quads. You don't have triangles. Quad count is 1 and this is 0. Nice. Okay. Yeah, okay, I think we need to do red.quads is equal to malloc size of quad times max quad count, and red.triangles is equal to malloc size of triangle times max triangle count. What? Oh. Scene. Triangle. So red dot triangles is that. But only if triangle count not equals 0, and if okay, we kind of need that. Okay, is equal to triangle count, and you just put that here. Okay, so quads, triangle count, triangles. Oh, that's just triangles. Okay, it still doesn't really work. Maybe it's because of that. No. So if quads not equal null pointer, and if triangles, multiple null pointer. Okay, it doesn't work. Yeah, whatever. Scene create empty, grass scene. And we just add the quad to that, the player to that scene as well. Easy. Nice. That's very nice. Oh, freebase. What's up with that? Maybe because if quad's not equal null pointer. I mean, because I think it's because we delete the quad, which frees it. Yeah, that's dumb. Yeah. So this shouldn't free it. We quad delete. Scene remove quad. Scene delete. Yeah, that's kind of a dilemma. So scene delete. I mean, we delete the quad. Okay, so now we don't free it, so the problem is solved. I mean, why should we clean up memory when the operating system does it? Don't see point in it. I love my scene system. Just love it. A lot. Oh, wait. God, why are you always making... You're always being weird. Just don't be weird. Ah, I think it's because of triangles. Please be because of the triangles. If it's not, I'm going to end the stream in this moment. Okay, bye. Fuck yourself. Oh, free. Why did I call it free? Okay, so scene delete. It's very, very likely that it's because of alert. Yeah. So I'm going to make that another time. Okay. Don't. What's up, Apoxes? Who are you? I think you're new. Please subscribe. I need subscribers. I don't know you. Oh, I'm going to go to your channel. What the flip? Why do you have 30k subscribers? What the flip? What the flip? Bitte. Hä, wie heißt nochmal? Achso. Okay, so guys.
Sagt, es war eigentlich nur als Spaß gedacht.
Yeah.
Bitte verlass uns.
Bitte verlass uns.
Wenn es ein Fan war,
Bitte verlass uns.
Muss ich ganz ehrlich
Ich sagen, bitte verlass uns.
Wie gesagt,
Bitte verlass uns.
ich hab's jetzt
Okay, war nur als Spaß gedacht. Eben.
gerade erzählt. Bitte verlass uns.
Okay, so,
Wenn es ein Fan war,
you see.
bitte verlass uns.
Jetzt.
Muss ich ganz ehrlich sagen, bitte verlass uns. Wie gesagt, bitte verlass uns. Bitte verlass uns.
Okay, so guys.
Dass dann Leute solche Spaßverderber sind und dann hergehen und ernsthaft die Umfrage manipulieren und dann noch schauen, wie sie manipulieren können. Ich habe selbst keine Ahnung, wie das funktioniert hat. Wie gesagt, eigentlich ist das alles abgesichert gewesen. Und eigentlich hätte sie gar nicht manipuliert werden können. Und trotzdem hat es jemand geschafft. Bitte verlass uns.
Ja, okay. Das muss der Stream mit der Musik. Ah, warte. Ah, die manipulieren und schaffen das. Digga, die Bastarde. Bitte verlass uns. Komm, verlass uns doch! Bruder. Ja. Ich wollte jetzt den Stream beenden. Also Leute, falls ihr kein Deutsch versteht, ist euer Problem. Auf jeden Fall verstehe ich jetzt. Was? Auf jeden Fall beende ich jetzt den Stream, Leute. Also dann sehen wir uns im nächsten Stream. Schaut bei Apoxes vorbei. Ich habe gehört, der ist richtig beliebt. Weil der hat halt voll viel Follower. Okay. Dann. Tschüss. Eier.